Alright guys, we got Grail Punt 872, which is the first appearance of Dr. Afra, Darth Vader number 3. Let's go down. I can't remember what we type here, but I'll say starting because I'm lost for what we normally write. I haven't done one in a while. Let's go. So that timestamp there is 3:08 on Saturday 24th of April, and it's the 24th of April in WA. Grab our list. I grabbed earlier, and we've got at spot 1 Tim down to spot 72, which is John. In the list we have Tim at 1 down to 72 spots, which is John. A 3 dice roll, let's go. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, let's get started. Good luck everyone. 1. So 72 items have been randomized. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 there. What are we up to? 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2 more to go. Second last one, and good luck everyone. Alright, let's have a look. That's 16 times. Double check that. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's have a look who the lucky person is. Stephen Beatty. Congrats, mate. Nice win. Sorry, everyone else. You can take your pain out on Stephen. I don't know what I'm writing anymore. It's been a while. Thanks, everyone. And that timestamp there is 3:10, and it's 3:10. And there's your winner.